Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren today called for concerted efforts in protecting the unity of territorial integrity of Manipur. Chief Minister Biren was speaking on the sidelines of 133rd Patriots' Day observance, which was held at Hicham Yai Champa in Moirangkhom. Chief Minister, along with ministers, MLAs and government officials, paid rich floral tribute at the memorial site of Bir Tikendrajit. A contingent of Manipur Rifles also paid homage to martyrs of Anglo-Manipur War 1891 with a gun salute. Later, they also offered floral tribute at Thangal Temple Complex and Palace Compound. Speaking further, Chief Minister Biren stressed on the need for all communities and individuals to shed their religious and political differences to tackle the challenges posed by illegal immigrants on state's integrity. Chief Minister said observance of Patriots' Day serves as a reminder about the courage and bravery of our forefathers who fought against colonial British rule. He urged people of the state to emulate the example set by our heroes.
Mamang da tawgibadagi hantaki sina mohena ekoi luna wakal khantaba matam 13 August sina lakpaga loinana athobi singda ekoina leisu katpaga loinana moi ningsing thoram pangthokpaga loinana ekoina puwari singbu ningsengaga ngasigi amadi tungi lakadaba mirol da amadi hujik thengnariba ekoigi lantheng masidaida koi karamba mawongda kari tawraga mikha pondaba aduga apunba Manipur'S saktam sibu phajana thammaga ekoi amatoina maihoron-dagi leiminaraba isilinaw sing leiminahanba aduba atopa mitof Manipur'bu thugaige na honareba kangbu-dagi kamaina ngakthokadage si ekoi punna amatoina political gi khenaba aduga isagi mod ki khenaba du thadoga hundoknarga leiba ki oiba issue da ekoi punna satminarga thengnaminasi haibasi ai mayamda appeal tawjaningi